There's an attack technique dominating enterprise breaches right now, and it doesn't need a malicious attachment, a phishing email, or a software exploit. It just needs your employee to press 3 keys on their keyboard. The attack presents a fake Verify Your Human page. The user follows the on-screen instructions, pastes a command from their clipboard, and unknowingly executes a malware payload. The malware then drops a rogue browser extension that sits silently in the background, intercepting credentials and session data indefinitely. The Chrome Readiness Tool surfaces every extension installed across your fleet, flagging anything unrecognized, sideloaded, or carrying elevated permissions. That rogue extension your compromised user just installed? Chrome Readiness Tool catches it. Chrome Enterprise Premium enforces an extension allow list. Only IT-approved extensions run. Everything else is blocked before it executes. CEP also lets you lock down the clipboard behaviors and system access pathways these attacks rely on. You're not reacting to an infection. You're preventing the vector entirely. Find out what extensions are already living in your fleet. Download the Chrome Readiness Tool. The link's in the description.